This is an exclusive wand video made for iNeez. It features 4 wands: Professor Albus Percival Wulfric Brian Dumbledore's wand, NN8401. Hermione's wand, which has a number of NN8411. Harry's wand, which has a number of NN8415. And Ron Weasley's wand, which has a number of NN8413. All of these wands are very intricate and hand-painted, as I'll show you later in detail. All of these wands are made of resin, a type of tree sap, which is stronger than wood and harder to break and scratch. So first we start with Albus Dumbledore's wand. It's also known as the Elder Wand, and it is very intricately painted. As you can see, there's sort of these bumps that has holes in them that continues throughout. Smooth out, bump, smooth out, bump. And each bumps get smaller to the tip. The tip is very narrow and almost as thin as all the other wands. This is the longest wand I've ever seen. Flat bottom, smooth, and then carved like that. And then trademark copyright right here. And finally, this painting. It's sort of like an enchantment thing. Next, we have Hermione Granger's wand. Same, smooth at the bottom. And then it's made out of vine wood and dragon heartstring core. So you can see that the vine wood starts going up, shooting, extending, all the way to here. Very detailedly painted, different shades of brown and black, blended very well. And the tip is sort of like it's gonna round off, but it's kind of chipped off. Harry's wand, Harry Potter's wand. So it's very bumpy at the bottom, and so is the whole handle, but it sort of smooths out and then to the very core of the wood. This is made of holly wood, so as you can see, holly is very bumped, and it has a phoenix tail feather core. So you can barely see the trademark logo. It's very black, but painted with very dark brown. And then these wands don't usually crack, but I play with this one so much that it actually cracked in the middle, but it hadn't broken yet. Hadn't snapped. That is this wand, evenly weighted. Now we have Ronald Weasley. So, at the bottom here, it's also kind of bumpy and holy. And the bark sort of gets chipped away to reveal the core of the wood. This has a core of unicorn tail hair and is painted brown. It's kind of bumpy when you start out, but eventually smooths out. It also sort of rectangular at the handle, but of course it rounds out to the tip, which is just like Hermione's. I forgot what kind of wood it's made out of, but here's the trademark logo. Now, as you can see, it's almost invisible. It's actually a full dark streak of very, very, very dark brown with lighter browns at each gnarl and bump. So yeah. Thank you.